Changing your phone number on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to enter your account settings. Step 3. Select phone number. In the account settings menu, find the option for your phone number. This may be labeled as phone number or contact information. Step 4. Update your phone number. Tap on your current phone number and enter the new number you wish to use. Make sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new phone number, save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the update. Enter the code as prompted to finalize the process. Now your phone number on Zelle is updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for assistance.